In this video we will find the square root of 144, 169 and some decimal examples. So let us start the video. 144. First of all, we will make the pairs. We will make the pairs from right side, that is 44 and 1 is the single value. Then we will take first of all 1. 1 is multiplied by 1, hence 1 1, and then we will take 44. Now we will add 1 and 1, that comes to be 2. Now we put the value which comes upon 44. So 22, 2 and 2 into 2, that is 22 into 2, that comes to be 44. Hence 2 here and 2 here. 22 into 2 is 44. If we will take 2 into 2, 1 into 1, then here comes 21. Then the subtraction is 23. Hence we will take next value, that is 2 into 2. Hence 44 upon 44, and final answer is 12. If we will take 2 and 3 into 3, then the denominator becomes 69. Hence we will take the value 2 into 2 here. Let us take next example, square root of 169. In this case, first of all we will make pairs 69 and 1 is a single value. Then first of all 1 into 1, that comes to be 1. Then we will take 69 and add 1 and 1, that comes to be 2. Now we will take this value 2 into 1 first of all, then we will take next value 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that comes to be 22 into 2, that comes to be 44. Then we take next value 23 into 3, and we can put 69 upon 69, hence 23 into 3, hence here also 3. In this case the square root of 169 is 30. Now let us take example of decimal value. Let us take next example, square root of 144.144 up to 3 decimal points. In case of decimal values, for example in this case, we have to find the value up to 3 decimal points. So we will make the pairs before decimal from the right side to left side. For example 44 and 1, and after decimal we will make the pairs from left side to right side. For example in this case the values are 144, so then we put the value 144 and we have to make the pairs. So we put 0 0 0, because we have to find the value up to 3 decimal points, so we have to put 3 decimal pairs 144000, because the value after decimal point is 144. We have to put 30000, so that there becomes 3 pairs. Then we have make the pair from left to right 144000. Now we will follow the steps of square root. First of all, 1 into 1, so put the value 1, and hence here also 1. Now we take 44 and add 1 and 1. Addition of 1 and 1 comes to be 2. Now we have to make the combination 22 into 2, that can be placed below 44. Hence 22 into 2 can be put upon 44. So 44. In the next step we have to add 22 and 2. By adding 22 and 2 we get 2, 4. Now we will take the value 1, 4, and here we have 24. Because 24 is greater than 14, so we have to take next pair 40. Now we have take next pair 40, and because we have taken next pair, so put 0 here and also 0 here. That becomes 240, and here 0. Now if we put 240, we put value of 240 and 1, that becomes 2401, and we cannot put the value 2401 below 1440. So we again take next value 00, and we put 10 here and 10 here. Now we can put the 24005 into 5, this value below 144000, and the value becomes 120025, and after subtraction we will get 23975, that is less than 24005. Hence on solving, the value of 144.144 up to 3 decimal, we get the square root 12.005.